Hello and welcome to the Monroe Junior High End of Year Awards Ceremony. My name is Joe Ward. I'm the principal of Monroe Junior High School. While we were not able to be together at the end of this school year, we still want to make sure we recognize all students for their hard work. So we put together this virtual awards ceremony. This is the 7th grade awards ceremony. The 8th grade awards is also in another video. Before we go into the awards, I want to talk about the different things they'll be receiving. First, there are GPA awards. Those awards are based off the first, second, and third quarter GPAs. The fourth quarter, since it was a pass fail, was not calculated into their overall GPA. So it's just first, second, and third quarter. All certificates will be delivered to students when school resumes next year. The awards that we're receiving, we have 2 GPA awards. One is the Honor Roll Award. If they have a 3.5 in all 3 quarters, that is not an average. They had to have a 3.5 in every single quarter to receive an Honor Roll Award. The Principal's Award is a 4.0 in all 3 quarters. And if they did get a 4.0, they would get the Honor Roll Award and the Principal's Award. There's also the Perfect Attendance Award, which is a student had 0 absences or tardies all year. Then there were 3 awards that teachers gave students. If they had 0 missing assignments all year long in a particular class, they would receive the Relentless Effort Award. If students showed a significant improvement throughout the year through their effort and determination, they would get the Significant Improvement Award. And then we also wanted to recognize students who excelled this last quarter. And so if they completed all their assignments in a particular class, they would receive the Remote Learning Excellence Award. We also have one other thing we want to recognize. There was an opportunity for students to work on an extension project this year. It was a pilot program that started second semester. It was 100% voluntary. It was an extension of their learning in all their core subjects. All the work was done outside of school, and it was a lot of work. The 7th grade project, they had to read the book A Long Walk to Water, and then all activities and tasks revolved around the water crisis in Africa, and it was aligned with their standards in all their subjects. Students who completed this project were awarded with a distinction on the report card and a field trip. Obviously, the field trip was canceled for this year, but they will still be rewarded when school gets back to its normal functioning. That field trip will still happen. So for the 7th grade, the students who completed the project were Joseph Brown, Natalie Long, Sam McCausland, Madeline Morris, Haley Powell, Chloe Glay, and Rachel Regal. They put a lot of work into this. Their teachers are very proud of them. I'm very proud of them, and they should be extremely proud of themselves. Now we will move on to the award ceremony. The next slides will have pictures of students along with the awards they received. Not all pictures were available. Also, there is limited recording time on this program, so the slides move every 2 seconds. So you may need to pause to see the picture longer or read the awards. And without further ado, we will start the award ceremony. Once it is completed, that will be the end of the program, and I hope you have a wonderful and safe summer.